Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to host a Microsoft Teams video conference in just 5 minutes. Whether you are working from home, joining a virtual class, or catching up with international colleagues, mastering Teams will greatly enhance your online interactions. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Microsoft Teams website and click the Sign In button. This is your entry point into the platform's meeting features. You will need to log in with your account, or if you are new, follow the simple steps to sign up. Signing in is vital for a personalized and secure experience. After logging in, move through the interface to locate your chat list. You are looking for a specific contact or group, such as the example labeled Paul Del Cruz. Once you identify the correct recipient or team for your conference, click the chat button. This step is essential to confirm you are in the right conversation space. Next, select the specific group chat or team you wish to call. The user-friendly design makes this process very simple. Now, to start the actual video call, find the video camera icon. Clicking this icon is the final action needed to launch your meeting. Once you click it, your video conference will be live and underway. As a quick tip, make sure you are in a quiet, well-lit environment before you begin. This helps maintain high video quality and ensures your voice is heard clearly without background noise. There you have it, a straightforward guide to using Microsoft Teams. With these steps, you can easily collaborate with anyone, regardless of their location. Happy conferencing!